Hello and welcome to our pitch. We are proud to present to you Apply U. If you are in this pitch, it's because you've applied to college. But did you enjoy that process? Oftentimes the answer to that question is no. The college application process is confusing and it's difficult, and it's even harder if you are a first-generation low-income student. And the data bears that out. This shows that high school enrollment in college is 15% lower for low-income students than it is for their high-income counterparts. And we discovered this in person. 61% of low-income first-generation students surveyed said that keeping myself organized during the college admissions process was very hard or very difficult. And in addition to that, 57% said that finding information specific to low-income students was somewhat difficult. And I know this personally. I spent 3 years as a college access counselor. What you're seeing here is a picture of me and my student, and we are confused by the college application process. Why? Because it's complicated. At any one time, a counselor is supporting every student through each part of this process. And they're trying to do that across multiple platforms. The process is not only difficult for students, but it's difficult for counselors. The college admissions process problem is that the landscape is too vast for students to digest on their own. Existing college resources do not provide enough specific content for low-income first-generation students, and the student-to-counselor ratio is way too high. Our solution to this problem is Apply U, a two-sided user-friendly platform that seeks to connect students and counselors through a one-stop comprehensive college application process application. Our goals are to provide tailored college admissions content for first-generation low-income students, counselor caseload support, and comprehensive process management. What does that look like? We are a curriculum-based approach that seeks to provide task management, content models, reporting, student progress tracking, and messaging capabilities all within one platform. So as a counselor, when you log in, you will see the following things. You'll be able to see how your cohort is doing on the whole. You'll be able to see what is due when as far as scholarships and college application deadlines go, and you'll be able to see FAFSA due dates. For me, this would have been a game changer in supporting my students better. Students will log in and see something similar. They'll be able to see what they have due when and their deadlines for scholarships and applications. In addition to, they'll be able to reach out to their instructors. And the platform will include modules that will allow students to better focus themselves on different parts of the project in manageable chunks.
Our target customer is Title I schools. Title I schools, we picked this because they have the highest concentration of low-income first-generation students, and they also get extra federal funding that can be used towards platforms like ours. We also chose Atlanta Public Schools, APS, as our first target district because they are small in size and they also are not currently using any of our competitors. So our plan to go to market is to do a pilot with them, with one of their schools during the first year, and then do a full rollout to all the other 6 high schools between years 2 and 5, and then after that start rolling out or expanding within the district. There's currently 81 Title I schools in Georgia, with the hope that eventually we will reach all 9,000 and so Title I schools in the US. Our business model consists of a $10 annual fee for every student, plus a tier startup cost that will include the implementation support, training and training support, and product configuration when we go to when we first work with one of the schools or the school districts. Here you can see our financial overview. Our main cost will be the development of the app. That will be the initial cost, and then also continue to spend some research and development funds into the application so that we can continue to improve it throughout the years, plus sales and marketing. We expect to be profitable between year 4 and 5. So what makes Apply U different? We have Title I schools at the center of our design, and we're also creating modules that are easily integrated into the school curriculum, which is something that our competitors are currently not doing. In addition to that, we're also providing facilitation of task management process for students and counselors, like Jordan mentioned earlier that she had, and then providing a comprehensive college application support that connects students to counselors. So why us? We are a group of 6 MBA 1 students. Jordan and Shade both have previous high school college admission counselor experience. Myself and Claire worked at tech companies doing implementation and product management. And then Kalani and Sasha have both experience with working with students and in the schools, and also successfully managing clients. So right now, we're in the process of continuing informational interviews and developing our prototypes and curriculum. But with funding, we hope to hire first software development that can create our minimum viable product. And that way we can start user testing in the schools through our pilot, or even before that, hopefully. For more of a long-term goal, we are hoping also to create a mobile app that will complement the website for our platform. We are excited for this opportunity to innovate for equity within the college admission education space. Thank you for your time.